Alright, so welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok promotional feature to boost your videos, to get more followers or get more views or just get more sales or more leads, whatever you want. So I'm going to go to my TikTok account and then I will show you step by step how to do this. So first thing you have to make sure is to switch your personal account to business account or create account. So if you want to switch your personal account to business account, then you just have to go to your settings and click on the account, and from here you see that there is an option to switch to personal account, but that's just because I have already switched to business account. So you might see different option to switch to business account or create account. So switch your personal account to business account so that you can get more tools for promotions and analytics and more. So then after that, if you want to start promoting your TikTok account, you just have to go back to the three buttons here and you have to click TikTok Studio and scroll down, and from here you will just see an option to promote. So click on the promote, and from here you see that you have different goals to promote. You see that you have to get more views, or you want to get more followers, or you want to get more profile views. So and down you have to choose different creative, and also you have an option to define your audience, and also you have an option to set up your budget. So let's just go step by step how to promote your TikTok account. So for example, if you want to get more sales, you see that you have an option to also get more website visit. And for this option, I recommend that you can just go to the TikTok business account so that you can just use TikTok Pixel so that you can also track your visitors with TikTok Pixel. So, and on the other step, we have TikTok message. If you want to get more message, for example, you are promoting your product, or you just want to get more leads or get more phone calls, so you have all these options here. So for now, I'm just going to choose to boost an account and I want to get more followers, for example. So I will just click on the more followers as a goal, and then I will have to choose my creativity video. And one thing that I recommend you is just to use your original video that you have created, because if you want to use, like for example, some videos that you have downloaded, then it will just go against the TikTok community guidelines. So I recommend you to just use your own creativity. So after that, you have choose your creativity, then you can just scroll down and you have to choose the promotional pack. So from the promotional pack, you can choose whatever you want. If you want to use €2 or €8 per day, so you just have to choose whatever you want. And then on the next step here, you can just click on the customize, and here from the customize is where we are just going to define our audience. So you can just use the default audience, but I really recommend to use your own audience. So you have to create your own audience. So I'm just going to create my own audience, and here you have to rename your audience. For example, you can type first audience, whatever, and you can just choose the gender and age. So from here, I'm just going to choose maybe people from 18 to 24, and I would just leave the selected red ones, and then I would just choose the all genders, and then I will click save. And from the locations, I'm just going to target the whole Poland as a country, and then click save. And then from the interest this is where you are just going to select the audience that you want to target. So I really recommend you to not target the wider audience, because if you target the wider audience, then you will just spend money for just nothing. So you have to make sure that you target the real audience that you want to get result from. So for example, I'm just promoting like pet products, so I will just go for audience for pet, and then I don't see any other interest audience, and then I will just click save, and you can also see the estimated audience from 4.38 million to 5.36 million. Then I will just click save changes, and after that you have selected your audience, you have to click save, and then on the next step you can see that you can just select your budget like you want. If you want to use 8 euros per day, and then for how many days, for example 2 days, 3 days, or more days. And also you can see the amount price that you are just going to pay for this promotion. So if you want also to use 2 euros, you can just choose how much you want to use. After choosing your budget, you have to click on the terms here, and after that you will just click payment, and your promotion will just go under the review, and it will just be approved or not approved. If you see that your promotion is not approved, you have to check what's the problem, and then after that you are just good to go. And I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you found this video helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss more update. And let's just meet in the next video, and thanks for watching.